Ripple has a new stablecoin? And where is Bitcoin in this cycle? Is it too late for us to buy crypto? Let's get to it. Welcome back to Crypto Strategies with Chris. My name is Chris. The SEC is still at large. They are trying to take down any company that has ever had a whiff of crypto. The SEC has subpoenaed at least 3 VCs over the past couple of weeks, and they are requesting for these VCs to hand over any information about any token deals they have ever conducted. One of the subpoena names is called "In the Matter of Certain Crypto Asset Offering Intermediaries." We are yet to know which VCs they are checking into. It looks like the SEC is checking into these VCs to see if they are acting as statutory underwriters, which is someone who is distributing securities to the public without proper registration. On to further news of SEC versus Ripple. XRP surged more than 27% after a decision was made by Annalisa Torres. XRP shot up from 50 cents all the way to 62 cents. She ordered a $125 million civil penalty against Ripple. This is actually good news because the SEC was demanding Ripple to pay close to $2 billion. But Ripple actually has some decent, smart lawyers. The lawyers were actually saying that $10 million would actually represent an appropriate percentage of the company's actual gross revenue. So in my opinion, the SEC was asking for way more than what was actually fair. Torres denied the SEC's request for the nearly $2 billion and settled for a $125 million penalty, which is still a great news because that means Ripple has more money now, they are saving some money, and they can continue their fight because it looks like this fight is going to continue on. The SEC may even appeal the court's decision, but experts are saying that most likely the SEC won't appeal their decision and they'll just settle for the $125 million. Ripple continues to argue that XRP cannot be classified as a security. It has no written contract such as the Howey test. Every crypto investor and even every crypto company should be supporting XRP because XRP needs to win this battle so that it can push good regulations for the crypto space. Now, if you want to be even more bullish on XRP, they have just announced that they will be launching and start testing their new stablecoin on the XRP ledger and on the Ethereum blockchain. They are calling their stablecoin Ripple-USD or RLUSD. They say it will be backed by US dollars, short-term US government treasuries, and other cash equivalents. They are claiming that it would help worldwide demand for stablecoins and cross-border payments. But wait, Ripple-USD has to have regulatory approval before they can officially launch their stablecoin. But please do not get scammed. There are going to be many scammers out there saying, claim this free Ripple-USD airdrop or claim your free Ripple-USD stablecoins now. Do not fall for those. Anything official from Ripple will come from their Twitter as an announcement, and they will not be doing any kind of airdrops or claiming or for you to even claim any kind of coins. They just won't do it that way. So do not click on any of those links. Don't get scammed. Stay safe out there. My strategy for XRP is to not buy any at this moment. Sorry XRP Army, it's not because XRP is a bad project, it's just I believe there are other potential projects out there that I can get much more gains from. But XRP is still a safe play. Now let's look at XRP's market cap. For XRP to be able to 10x, it's going to need $321 billion for it to get over a $5 price point. This is just a really high market cap for me to invest in because it's just going to take so much money to hit that $321 billion market cap. If you bought XRP under 50 cents, 45 cents, or even around the 30-cent range during the bear market, then I would definitely hold on to it and see what could happen in this bull run. But I gotta say, the more you buy at higher prices, the riskier the coin is going to be. Now on to some Bitcoin news. Was August 5th, that big old crash that we had, was that a bear trap or was that a shakeout? Let's find out. A shakeout can be described as a temporary price decline that is aimed to force out weak investors to push them to sell their bags, which to me sounds like manipulation. A bear trap is when a price of a crypto asset dumps drastically, causing investors to believe the bear market is back, and so they sell. Seems a little more natural, more like a natural correction to me. It's more like that FUD and fear that goes on. People just kind of follow the crowd, get scared, and they sell. So that seems a little more natural to me. On August 5th, Bitcoin dropped to around 50K. Now it is raging around the 60K levels. Check out this chart of the psychology of the market cycle. I believe we are anywhere between the hope and optimism phase of this cycle. But this also means that we are running out of time before this parabolic move. Then we will run into the belief area, the thrill, and the euphoria. And I believe those three stages are going to be next year sometime. It may even happen before the summer of next year. We just don't know. But we have to be ready, and we have to be just watching the market, seeing what Bitcoin is doing so that we know what we should do with our bags. There are different opinions everywhere though. Some people are saying that Bitcoin's gonna hit over 100K by the end of this year, and there are some people who are gonna say we will be under 100K this year. I personally believe that Bitcoin can range anywhere between 80,000 to 100,000 by the end of this year. That's my conservative view. Only because I do have a lot of PSD from last bull market where everyone was screaming and shouting 100K Bitcoin, we're gonna make it, and we only made it to 69,000 barely. So I'm being a little more conservative this round, and I'm thinking anywhere between 80 to 100K. My strategy for all my crypto investments is based off of Bitcoin's movements. I am buying as much crypto as I can before October and November of this year, because I believe we are stepping out of that optimistic level and we will be going into the parabolic levels, and I do believe it is going to start after October or November. So I am buying as much crypto as I can. Next year is a year we have all been waiting for. Next year is supposed to be the great fireworks that all of us have been waiting for. So get ready and make sure you are ready to set yourself into financial freedom. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I am just giving you my opinion and my strategy on a what if scenario. If you like this video, let me know your thoughts down below. Let me hear your strategy for this market, and we can all learn something from you. Press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now, friends.